Standard 12. Subject Mathematics. Lesson Line and Plane.
Presented by Vikas Shinde.
Concept: vector equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Vector equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Let us see statement of theorem. The equation of the plane passing through non-collinear points A of A bar, B of B bar and C of C bar. These are the three non-collinear points, and equation of plane is expressed as R bar minus A bar dot with B bar minus A bar cross product C bar minus A bar equal to 0. First, we derive this equation. First, let us see diagram for the proof of this theorem. Three-dimensional geometry. 3 points in the plane. First point, you can see here, A of A bar. Second point, B of B bar. Third point, C of C bar. These are the 3 points in the plane, and these points are non-collinear. Simply, they are not lies on the same line. By our choice, we take one more point in this plane. One more point in this plane as P of R bar. Check here. One more point is taken, P of R bar in the plane. I am taking here vectors as from the starting point A, that is AB bar, AC bar and AP bar as a three vectors. These three vectors are in the same plane. So we can say that vectors AB bar, AC bar and AP bar are coplanar vectors. So first thing in proof, we just express here. Check. One more vector you are getting here. It is perpendicular to the plane. That is obtained from the cross product of two vectors, vector AC bar and vector AB bar. Cross product of two vectors represent third vector which is perpendicular to both AC as well as AB. So this vector AB bar cross AC bar perpendicular to AB and AC, as well as it is perpendicular to the plane. Hence, this vector AB bar cross AC bar, it represent normal to given plane. P of R bar be any point on the plane passing through non-collinear points A of A bar, B of B bar and C of C bar from figure. Then vectors AB bar, AC bar and vector AP bar. These three vectors are in the same plane. Hence writing here AP bar, AB bar and AC bar are coplanar. And in vectors, condition of coplanarity is for three vectors, their scalar triple product is always 0. So I can write here AP bar dot with AB bar cross AC bar equal to 0. This is known as scalar triple product. Vector AP bar, from points you can write position vector for AP bar as R bar minus A bar. Then second, vector AB bar, B bar minus A bar. And last, AC bar expressed as C bar minus A bar. So equation change here. Let us see. R bar minus A bar dot with AB bar means B bar minus A bar. Cross product AC bar, that is C bar minus A bar, which is required equation of the plane in the vector form. The scalar triple product can be expressed in a box product type. That is first vector R bar minus A bar, second B bar minus A bar, and third C bar minus A bar. Value for scalar triple product can be determined using concept of determinant. First row you are writing for R bar minus A bar vector coefficient. Second row for B bar minus A bar vector coefficient. And third row for C bar minus A bar coefficients of that vector. So which is the required vector equation of the plane. Let us continue with Cartesian equation of plane. Directly we write equations in determinant form. Check points A, B, C. These are the three non-collinear points. So sentence expressed as the equation of the plane passing through non-collinear points A of x1, y1, z1, B of x2, y2, z2, and C of coordinate x3, y3, z3 is. Check this determinant is obtained from the scalar triple product value. First, that you are writing R bar minus A bar. R is related to the in general point in the plane, that is point P, whose coordinates you can write as P of x comma y comma z. Point A has coordinates x1, y1, z1. So vector AP bar, R bar minus A bar, in terms of coordinates you can write x minus x1, y minus y1, and z minus z1. That is the first row. Next, second row is for vector AB bar, that is B bar minus A bar. B bar minus A bar, in terms of coordinate, take difference between the coordinates of point B and point A. The difference is obtained x2 minus x1. Next, y2 minus y1. Third, z2 minus z1. This is related to the second row vector AB bar. Third row is for AC bar. Point A coordinate, point C coordinate, writing difference, that is x3 minus x1. Next, y3 minus y1. And last, z3 minus z1. Determinant value is equal to 0. After simplifying this determinant, you will get answer in the type of ax plus by plus cz plus constant, that is d, is equal to 0 as a equation of plane. So here we discuss related to the concept vector equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points and Cartesian equation of the plane. Exercise 6.3 question. Problem first. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points A 1, 0, 1, point B 1, minus 1, 1, and point C 4, minus 3, 2. Also find the equation of the plane in the Cartesian form also. So for this problem, to find out equation in vector form as well as in Cartesian form, you have provided these 3 points. Check method for finding the equation of plane. First, writing given points A, B, and C. Then position vectors point A 1, 0, 1 expressed as 1i plus 0j plus 1k. Next, for point B, position vector 1i minus 1j plus 1k. Then what is the position vector for the point C? position vector for point C, that is C bar equal to 4i minus 3j plus 2k. After writing the position vectors of these points A, B and C, then calculate the two vectors with one point A as a common, that is vector AB bar and vector AC bar. Let us see. Equation for the plane theoretically are known passing through the 3 points A of A bar, B of B bar and C of C bar. This is the formula. So we first need to find out vector AB bar, then vector AC bar. After that their cross product. Check. First, vector AB bar, that is position vector B bar minus of A bar. Vector B bar 1i minus 1j plus 1k minus vector A bar position vector. Vector AB bar is obtained 0i minus 1j plus 0k. After this, next vector AC bar is required. AC bar equal to C bar minus A bar. C bar position vector 4i minus 3j plus 2k minus of A bar, that is 1i plus 0j plus 1k. Vector AC bar is obtained 3i minus 3j plus 1k. After calculating AB bar and AC bar, AB bar cross product with AC bar, first row for unit vectors I, J, K. Second row, vector AB bar coefficients are 0, minus 1, 0. And last row for vector AC bar, coefficients 3, minus 3 and 1. Now solving this determinant. Value of determinant after calculation getting minus 1i minus 0j plus 3k. Calculated vector AB bar cross with AC bar. Then equation of plane by the formula expressed as R bar dot with AB bar cross AC bar, that is R bar dot with formula once again written here. Substitute value for AB bar cross AC bar, value for vector A bar also. After substitution getting R bar dot with minus 1i minus 0j plus 3k is equal to vector A bar value here dot with the vector AB bar cross AC bar. Now you can perform dot product for right hand side. Dot product for right hand side 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 0 into minus 0 0 plus 1 into 3 3. So finally you can write product value as minus 1 plus 0 plus 3 after taking this product. Total is obtained minus 1 plus 3, that is plus 2. Equation of plane in vector form. To find equation in Cartesian form, vector R bar replaced by xi plus yj plus zk from the coordinates of the point. Therefore, equation change as xi plus yj plus zk dot product with the minus 1i minus 0j plus 3k equal to 2. Again, dot product taken as x into minus 1, y into 0 and z into 3, that is 3z. So final equation is obtained minus 1x plus 0y plus 3z equal to 2 in the Cartesian form.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.